The Mona Lisa is a painting of an Italian aristocrat named Lisa Gherardini. Leonardo da Vinci spent over 10 years working on this painting and carrying it around with him. It's said that when he died, he still hadn't finished it. After da Vinci's death, the Mona Lisa was purchased by the King of France. It was passed down as a treasured painting within the French royal family. It hung in Napoleon's bedroom during the 1800s and later went on display inside the Louvre. This painting didn't achieve its worldwide, ultra-famous reputation until it was stolen from the Louvre in 1911. Amazingly, the world-famous painter Pablo Picasso was interrogated as a possible suspect in the theft of the painting. Authorities eventually determined his innocence and released him. The actual thief of the Mona Lisa turned out to be a man named Perugia, who held on to the painting for 2 whole years before attempting to sell it to an Italian art dealer. The art dealer called the police, who confiscated the painting and returned it to the Louvre. Upon the Mona Lisa's return, it attracted huge crowds and became more famous than ever. Today, the Mona Lisa rests behind multiple layers of glass, which are bulletproof, theft-proof, and earthquake-proof. And the painting continues to attract millions of visitors every year. Stick around and check out my other super fun art history videos on this playlist. And be sure not to miss this easy step-by-step Mona Lisa painting tutorial that I made.